Hi, I'm Jim Carrig with Jefferson Beach Yacht Sales, and I'd like to welcome you to this beautiful 2020 44 Viking Sport Coupe. Here in the cockpit, let me show you some of our custom features. In the back, we've modified this locker to be a storage compartment. Offers great access for things that you need when you're in the cockpit. We have the release marine table here, easily removable if you don't want it at all or want to replace it with a cocktail table if you're not into the fishing. Over here we have plenty of storage. We have a freezer underneath this seat, Viking's engine room access here, refrigerated step box. We have plenty of drawer space and storage, and we've even added a remote GPS plotter with autopilot and stereo for the cockpit. Welcome to the upper command deck, where here on the Sport Coupe we have tons of visibility, all hard and closed with an acrylic aft back drop. We also have plenty of storage here with plenty of drawers. Custom refrigerator installed here, and more drawer space here and over there, as well as underneath all this seating. And once up here, you can see the visibility of what the 44 Sport Coupe offers you. Full set of electronics, remote autopilot, bow and stern thruster. Welcome to the interior cabin of the 44 Sport Coupe. Here you have a very nice accommodating settee area with a high-low teak table that we've customized a cushion in the matching upholstery, so you could turn this into another sleeping area. TV, full galley, stovetop, microwave, drawer style Sub-Zero refrigerators and freezers. Plenty of storage for cruising and entertaining. The forward master stateroom is very accommodating with a raised island double berth, hanging locker, plenty of drawer storage, and overhead cabinetry storage. This 44 Sport Coupe has a very nice head, full-size stall shower, and plenty of storage. The mid stateroom is very comfortable with a large size berth, hanging locker, and drawer storage. This stateroom was customized with a Pullman bunk that drops down from the headboard. Welcome to the Viking engine room, and this is where it all starts. Here you'll see the boat fit with the optional Seakeeper 6 gyro stabilization system, the MAN 800 horse common rail engines. Forward is a custom compartment fit with an extra battery bank for cockpit outlets. This 44 Viking has been completely detailed, waxed, fresh bottom paint, all mechanicals have been serviced. All we need to know is what you'd like in the refrigerator, and let's go boating.